Hello all. Today we are going to see how we can install MySql on Windows 10, and we are doing this on in July 2022. Okay, just for the users to make sure that because for every year or every month things might get changed, so that we have just mentioned the date here. Okay, so to install MySql, we just open Google and just type there MySql download. So we go to downloads, and here we will just come to community downloads here. Okay. And then we have the option here MySql install of the Windows. Okay. So we're clicking on this. Here if you see we have two installers, one is web community and one is only community. So we are going to select this only community one and going to click on download. Once we click on download, so here they are asking to log in now or sign up for a free account, but we have an option down, no thanks, to start my download. So we click on this. Okay. So our download is started. So once the download is complete, you will see a folder like this in your downloads. So you can double click on this. On yes. You can click on yes. Get this window open. Okay, so here we have developer default, server only, client only, full, custom. We have 5 different options. So we'll be selecting custom and click on next. And then we have the option like what are the things we want to install. So here we'll be installing MySql server. Okay, and from applications we'll be selecting MySql workbench. I've selected these two, and then I will click on next. Ready to install, we'll click on execute here. So it will take a few seconds, few minutes to for them to be installed. Okay. MySql server is installed. We'll wait for MySql workbench to get installed. So now we can see both are complete. Okay, so we'll click on next. Product configuration next. So here we see we have some configuration information. It's running on port 3306 by default. Okay, so you just make a note of the port number. You might need it later. Okay. Port number is 3306. Rest all are fine. We'll click on next. Strong password. Okay, next. So they're asking for password. By default, we are the username is root here. They're just asking for the password. I'm giving the password also as root. The note of the password also. Then click on next. Right, if we are not changing anything. Okay. So here we are selecting start the MySQL server system startup. So whenever our system will start, then this MySQL server will be running so that we can use MySQL server anytime. Okay. I'm not changing anything. Clicking on next. We have to execute this. Clicking on finish. And click on next. So we are getting an option to start MySQL workbench after setup. So let it be like this. We click on finish. Automatically launch our MySQL workbench. Yep. So you have this. So this is showing a previous instance. Okay. So I think you won't be, if you are installing it for the first time, you won't be seeing this. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to create a new connection. Plus sign is there. Okay. You can click on this. Okay. So it will ask you the connection name. Okay. So we can give the connection name anything as like test. Okay. Then we'll click on OK. So this will create our instance. So here the password what we give will be the same password. Click on OK. Once we click on OK, we have this workbench launched. Okay, now we can use it. Okay. So first thing what we will see, like what are the databases that are by default installed. Okay, we'll just select the entire thing and click on this and run. Okay, execute. So we see we have this 4 databases already installed. Okay. Now if you want to create a new database for our use, you can create. Okay, using this create database name. We are giving the name as test. Okay. So after doing this, we have to run it. We are saying this create database test. Okay. It has been created successfully. You can see a green tick mark here. Now I want to use this particular database. So we'll just give use test. Okay. And we'll run this. So this is successful. Now we can create a sample table inside this database. Table might be an employee table. And this will be two parameter ID. And we can give name. And then we can execute this. There is some warning related to that integer too, but that is okay. Next, we will see whether our table has been created or not. Our table has been created. Okay, so workbench. The same thing also we can do it from command prompt. If you open command prompt, okay, you just have to type here MySQL -u, username is root, and then -p. Okay, and we'll ask for the password. The password that we set up while installing. So now you see MySQL prompt is there. The same command we can also, whatever we executed in workbench, we can also execute here. Okay. So databases. You see the test database that we created, that is also showing here. Okay. So this is the command. I will write a command here also. So it is MySql -u, the username and the -p. So this will ask you for the password, and then you can do the normal operations what we did in workbench. So this was all for this video. Hope you guys like the video, and this will help you in installing MySql on your system.